Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're taking a look at what might just be the best elastic bowl covers available. The Elastic Food Storage Covers Reusable Stretch Plastic Wrap Bowl Covers by Mwell WM. These bowl covers are designed to revolutionize how you store food, whether it's for a family picnic or just keeping leftovers fresh at home. Let's talk about what makes these covers stand out. First off, they come in a set of 60 covers in 3 sizes and vibrant colors. Small in pink at 7 inches, medium in yellow at 8.3 inches, and large in green at 10.2 inches. Perfect for covering bowls, plates, and even oddly shaped dishes. What I love about these covers is their versatility. You can stretch them over any dish, creating a snug, airtight seal that keeps your food fresh longer. It's an eco-friendly alternative to plastic wrap or foil, and they're completely reusable. The elastic bands allow them to fit securely around different sizes of containers, which is incredibly convenient for everyday use or outdoor gatherings. Made from durable, non-toxic plastic, these covers are built to last. They're safe for use with food, which is always a top priority. Cleanup is a breeze too. Simply wash them with soap and water, let them dry, and they're ready to go again. No more wasting money on single-use wraps. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, eco-friendly way to keep your food fresh, look no further than these elastic food storage covers. They're practical, durable, and a must-have for any kitchen. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more product reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique.